They told you the continent is called Africa, but what if the name itself is a spell? For thousands of years, maps labeled the motherland Ethiopia, and the oceans beside it Ethiopian Sea. Africa was a Roman general's name. Atlantic came from the Greek Titan. When conquerors rename a land, they also rename its soul. And when you speak that name every day, you unknowingly repeat their spell. Ethiopia means more than a country. It means the land of ether people, the original world, the cradle of humanity. This isn't just trivia, it's memory. It's the code to who you are, where you came from, and why the system wants you to forget. If this shook you, imagine what else they've hidden. We're decoding it all step by step. Join the link in the Telegram, link in the bio, to get the next drops and start breaking the spell with us.